Maruna kusevele walukhuluma lonke iqiniso and lokho ke Nkosi yami kungamlahlekisela ke ngama-million. Hello everyone, welcome back to Silash and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 23rd to the 27th of June 2025 on Monday. Maruna plays the darkest card up to her sleeve and Ishmael finally opens up and reveals a heavy secret. Wendy fears that they might lose everything because of Maruna's stupidity on Tuesday. A gospel artist sings a death song shattering lives and dreams. A young man receives life in abundance. The cost of truth robs a woman of millions on Wednesday. Maruna dishes up some truths that are too difficult to swallow. Ishmael struggles with the expectation placed on his shoulders. Two bulls are locked in one small room. Only one can come out on Thursday. Deep secret begins to surface as women share stories that cast a dark shadow on a well-known executive. An arranged husband demands answers from the estranged wife, and Ishmael is determined to see his newfound wealth to make amends for the years he's been absent. On Friday, Genesis faces another big storm that shakes the tabernacle ground. Noah grapples with the truth about Pelah. Ishmael and Festus paint the town red. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.